new, 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 new.
Okay, new products. First up, it's coming soon.
Get the fruit jam board. You can show this on the overhead because I actually have prototypes. You also have some nice photos on
It's
this one.
fruit jam.
Whoa, it's fruit jam.
It's fruit jam.
It's fruit jam.
It's fruit jam.
It's coming right for us.
It's fruit jam.
Okay. We have to come up with a new name. Prototype, you're not going to get the green board, but you know, this is just a stand because people are like, oh, I want to sign up, and can you give us a sign up location? So you can sign up to be notified when we have them in. RP2350, stereo USB, 2 USB ports with a hub, 8 megabytes PS RAM, 60 megabytes of flash, like an analog IO, STEMMA QT, big on-off switch, 3 built-in buttons, 5 built-in NeoPixels, I2S with speaker or headphone output, and it's like true headphone, not line out. DVI outputs for DVI projects, USB for programming it, micro SD card for storage of stuff, little debug port here. And this might change, but this is for now a iSpy connector. So yeah, little like credit card. Oh, and then 16 pin GPIO and header output here for like plugging in other stuff. So yeah.
Okay.
Sign up, be notified when we have this in stock. But it'll be great for running little emulators on and having it go to DVI output, which is fun.
We got a book.
Yes, we have the official Raspberry Pi beginner's guide. This actually was packaged with the Pi 500 starter kits. But maybe you don't want to wait for them to come back in stock. You want the book. It goes great with Raspberry Pi computers. It's not for the Pico. It's for like the Raspberry Pi computers, like the Pi 5, Pi 4. This is the latest version, 5th edition, so it has the Pi 5 in it. It's a great pairing for your Pi 5, especially if you're getting a Pi 5 for somebody as a gift. You're a beginner, and then they're like, how do I get started? Use the camera. How do I, burn the SD card if necessary? How do I plug in accessories? How do I attach hardware to it?
Okay. Next up.
Getting caught up on some stuff that was in the shop but not in stock. This HSTX Breakout, which is useful for the Metro RP2350 or for the Pi 5. If you want a breakout for the high-speed transmission or DSI/CSI lines on the Pi 5, this little breakout, you connect to the 22-pin FPC and it will give you like all the pins in a row. Good for debugging or if you want to like wire custom stuff up to it.
Alrighty. Next up, Lady Ada, what's this?
This is an 8-channel 12-bit DAC. This is a very fancy piece of hardware. If you need like 8 analog outputs with high quality 12-bit control over I2C, this board will give it for you. It's got multiple selectable addresses. It's got, like I said, it can do I2C. You can run it from 3 volt or 5 volt. There's a VREF. By default, it's the power, but if you want to change the reference voltage, you can. It doesn't have an internal reference generator. It uses whatever voltage you give it, but that's usually what people want. Basically, more DAC outputs if you so desire.
Alrighty, and the star of the show tonight, besides you, Lady Ada, our customers, our team, the community, and all the people who have successfully shipped a Kickstarter is...
Yay! The Metro RP2350, which is in stock. We didn't notify people yet because we wanted people watching the show to get a chance to pick one up.
Yay!
Yay! It's got the 80-pin QFN RP2350, which I had to redesign a couple times, but now has lots of GPIO. So like the HSTX is shared with the normal header pins. We've got full SDIO pin out available on the micro SD card. And we have a version with PS RAM. This version just has 16 megs of flash, debug port, 5-volt buck converter, USB-C, STEMMA QT, SPI. It's got everything. Like I really jammed as much stuff as possible. So we've got a little HSTX to DVI adapter. So if you want this to have DVI output, there's a little adapter board and a cable that you can use. But I think we might use that port for other stuff. So I didn't use it. It's also like just generic GPIO. So I thought it would be good to not have it have a DVI port necessarily, but let it be available for as like if you want more GPIO or if like you want NeoPixels controlled from it. I think that's another option you could do.
That's cool.
So yeah, it's kind of like everything. Got buttons, NeoPixel built in, RxTX switch. It's like kind of a beefy ultra fast dual core M33. I mean, like it's I don't want to say it's like a teensy 4, but it's definitely well faster than like a teensy 3.6.
I'll say this: if you wanted a teensy 4 and an Arduino form factor,
Yeah,
this is kind of it.
we're getting close. I mean, like
Yeah.
it's not a Cortex, M7, but it's quite powerful. I only mention that because it's like people are always asking me like, oh, I want something faster than the 2350 from the 2040, and the ESP32 has like quirks to it. What I like is that this is like your plain ARM M33, but it has like analog inputs and the PIOs that you know and love. So yeah, it's finally in stock. Thanks everybody for being so patient as I redesigned it like 4 times, but I think I got it right this time.
You got it?
I think so.
Okay, just new products.